The human eye, capable of distinguishing between 10 million colors, all in a fraction of a second. And each person's iris is uniquely patterned. No two are identical. The brain, it contains approximately 86 billion neurons, each forming thousands of connections and capable of 1 quadrillion operations per second. The skin, it not only protects us, but it regulates the temperature in our bodies. And it heals itself. It alerts us to pain and allows us to feel the lightest touch. Sometimes we overlook these subtle blessings, the ability to feel. And it renews itself approximately every 28 days. You have completely fresh skin every 28 days. The heart, beating over 100,000 times a day without rest. Circulating blood across 60,000 miles of blood vessels. Subhan'Allah. Every cell in the human body carries over 3 billion characters of genetic code. 3 billion. Every cell. If unraveled, the DNA in one person could stretch from the earth to the sun and back 600 times. This is all packed inside of you, compactly. Your intestines host over 100 trillion microorganisms. They help digest food and regulate mood and strengthen immunity and even communicate with your brain. Subhan'Allah. So you are never alone. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has appointed microscopic helpers inside of you, working 24/7. 100 trillion of them. These are just a few examples we mentioned about the human being. Now you reflect on your own time, on the ears, on the hair, the eyelashes, the eyebrows, the nails, the fingertips, the palms, the wrists, the joints, the spine, the ribs, the lungs, the blood vessels, the liver, the kidneys, the stomach, the tongue, the teeth, the saliva, the skin, the pores, the sweat glands, the knees, the ankles, the toes, the balances, the reflexes, the immune cells, the neural pathways, the hormones, the memories, the dreams, the emotions, the conscience. Reflect on all of that. وَفِي أَنفُسِكُمْ أَفَلَا تُبْصِرُونَ. And within your own selves will you not reflect?